Tom's doing his magic of his favorite thing, instrument cluster.
Gauges!
Gauges! Tom loves gauges. Oh, wait, that's a good picture. Happy Tom with gauges! Okay, that's going on. That's going on the gram later. We just drilled the little hole for the knob in the plastic. So Tom loves, this is definitely your thing.
Yep, I love doing gauges.
I mean, what you did on Amy was awesome.
In fact, the gauges by themselves are better than the whole car. I should just have a wall of gauges. Be a lot cheaper.
That's your next art project. Wall of automotive gauges.
Wall of gauges.
I'll just go to the junkyard and pull you random clusters, and you just do them for fun.
That sounds like fun.
See? All right, so Tom's doing that. I'm getting all the radio stuff laid out. I did a lot of reading last week. But I gotta basically assemble this and then put it in there and then... Oh God, that's scary because it's flexing and it's already cracked. Because it's kind of old and chitty.
Sit this on something.
We need a... If it goes that way, there you go. I saw that bending and I freaked out. All right, so I'm getting radio stuff out. I'm gonna go grab the rest of it, lay of the land, and then we will assemble.
I gotta get this in. Sort of weird how this fits.
Yeah, the trim's very finicky, and then I get to mount the radio on the back of that. That's gonna be a blast. I might put the cluster in.
I think I have to glue this a little bit, like double stick tape it or something. To make it work.
Yeah, but how's it look? How's it look? Oh! Tilt the gauges a little bit. Like tilt them down. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Good modeling. You should be Vanna White. That's great.
They look nice.
Those look awesome.
All right.
Look at radio fun time. All right, Retrosound radio fun time. It has these brackets. They call them Infinimount brackets because you can mount your shafts where you want it. So we have our original radio here, our Infinimount here. So we gotta measure center to center and up and down to get the location we want to make this fit perfectly where this was. All right, so with these Infinimount brackets, you have to set your width and height and depth. Fun. So I'm getting our width set. And we'll go over to the dash here and set our depth and height carefully. And then we will finalize it. All right, because of the tightness of our dash, I need to trim the Infinimount brackets. It's like some Buzz Lightyear shit. Infinimount to Infinimount and beyond. Dremel time. Rotary tool. Cordless, baby. And come on. All right. Got our brackets trimmed. kind of eyeballing our locations. Need to come in a little on this side. Then we can set our height. So after my first test fit, I need to bring these forward. And then I gotta try and hope our up-down is right. Or I might have to modify the brackets. Everything's a custom direct bolt-on. Because, you know, it's supposed to just work, and it never does. Oh, yeah. Custom bolt-on works with everything. Nope. Alright, so I've adjusted my depth because I need to see how this is going to sit. Alright, get to trim some more on the brackets, but I think I come up with a way for them to work and get us hopefully the proper depth or close to it. Alright, new brackets trimmed again. And I'm going to trim my spacers. Soon, Pierre. Soon. More custom spacers. More custom spacers.
Look,
come look at the thing of beauty.
Hey, it looks great.
That was an effort.
I can imagine.
Did you see all
I
the
probably
stuff I had to make?
I should have gotten the chrome nut buttons. But, who cares?
It's okay.
In the end, it doesn't matter. But it would have been nice to have that extra little chrome in there.
It looks good, though.
The knobs look terrific.
They're perfect.
This looks really cool.
And nothing binds. Like you can.
Yeah, nice.
That was my final adjustment, is getting these to spring back. Because they're spring loaded.
Oh, yeah.
So
So you didn't put those things underneath?
Oh no, I did. I did them all on the back side.
On the back,
There's concaved ones, and they fit perfect.
Yeah, that's what I thought, that they should be in the back.
And then I took, and I trimmed up those big round spacers and made them kind of round square. And then I set my depth, and I put a little washer behind each one, and then I put the nuts. Whew! That was a afternoon battle, but man, that looks good, huh?
That looks good. And we have that little knob for this, don't we?
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.